Where is bard of seagulls today? On the vast spread shore, deserted since the last evening, after a few picnics, a bunch of long-winged fowls have just landed early morn. Before the next wave crashes and washes their wings, a bold one has taken off towards the horizon after her lover, gliding on the wind but as if on the wave. Who will notice this flight of fancy? As short-lasting as it is, it kisses freedom. As fleeting as it is, it brushes with timeless. It will be gone too soon though, and it will be time to fight over leftover tidbits. Those who have tasted freedom, tell me, who has ever cared to measure the time the freedom lasts, or what interrupts it? And if one could capture the timelessness of freedom for these loafers, won't it be you, O bard of seagulls? Would you not write about her on her short flight and her lover? I know she is no Jonathan Livingston, but what is a poet if he only sings paeans to the extraordinary and does not adorn the miracles of the mundane? Do write, so they remember in your reminding the glory of the ordinary, so they know that grey is not a colour of the rainbow, yet it is, if one can really see the background, that is. Write, so that the words are remembered not just by the pages on which they are printed, but by the ears and the eyes they land on, and are dispersed in the wind, waves, sand, salty water, and the leftover tidbits. Would you write this all for the seagulls? For the flavors of freedom, for the time and timeless, for the ones who care as much as for those who would ignore, and for yourself, a reminder of sorts, you, the bard of seagulls.